Hello, this is Christian Turner. Now, I've been glancing through the discussion. I'm a little bit late to it because I've been at work all week, but aside the point, I was hoping to see more in discussion with viruses. That I think the teacher brings it up in some of the stuff, particularly some of the written things I read through, but I was hoping there'd be more discussion about viruses in the class because they're kind of fascinating as they're considered not alive, largely considered to not be alive, but they have a lot of alive-like features. They have genetic composition. A quick Google search told me that they have either DNA or RNA, not both, which may play to why they aren't considered alive. Um, they seem a quick Google search also confirmed they do have the capacity to propel themselves, which means movement, which means autonomy and being able to react to their surroundings to at least an extent, which was one of my criterias of being alive. They aren't able to reproduce until they hijack another cell and biologically reprogram it to produce new virus cells. However, humans can't reproduce asexually. They can produce with their own species, but a lot of not alive things reproduce asexually or um, sexually. And for some reason, I feel like I might have heard of a third way, but that doesn't make sense right now in my head. But they have a lot of alive features, but are still largely considered dead. Like they even have a protective wall, and I think it's more of a hard substance than a cell membrane that lets things pass through. But it has a center of genetic composition protected by a barrier, can have autonomy and propel it by propelling itself. It can reproduce. Um, yeah, so it's an interesting topic that I was hoping uh, to get more in depth with in these discussions. But anyway, that was my 2 cents on the discussion and on viruses. Um, not There was a source that I watched the video "Are Viruses Alive?" question mark from the YouTube SciShow or the channel's SciShow YouTube channel. And this video was actually posted 2021, so recently enough. Like it's been probably 5 to 10 years since I heard anything on the discussion of are viruses alive or not. So it was interesting to see that the debate is still going on, and that was a fun video. You can check it out.